Those are our parts, and this is the only instructions we got. Wish us luck. Good afternoon, guys. I am going to set up the greenhouse or the hoop house that I bought off of Amazon the other day, and it came pretty sad looking. The box is pretty sad, but I am going to set up the greenhouse so that I can protect all my plants. Right now I'm just getting my shoes on so I can go outside, because as much as I love my fuzzy sheep slippers, they're not great for yard work. They're really cute. My mother-in-law gave me these. I thought I would take you along and show you what I'm doing, how I'm gonna set it up, and what it's gonna look like. I wanted to show you what the box actually came like. It is pretty rough. The UPS driver actually got out, and wow, you can really hear traffic. UPS driver actually got out and knocked on our door to tell us that the box had just busted open, and she wanted to make sure that we would still accept delivery, and she noted that it was damaged. So when we're putting it together, we might actually end up finding out that there are parts missing. And if we do, then we'll have to contact Amazon and say, hey, we need parts because it's getting cold. Here's the box, and I will just show you like how damaged it is. All of that damage. And then that's not the only damage. There's also damage down below, and I will show you that, but I have to take you off of the little tripod. I am hoping that all of the parts are accounted for and that we can just get it set up tonight. I don't want to wait for the parts to come in if we're missing parts. If we are, I mean, there's not much I can do about that, so we'll just have to wait. But it's also really windy today, and I'm not sure how that's going to affect our ability to put it up. You know, I don't know if you can hear it. I have the little, I don't know what it's called, the microphone thing that makes the wind less noticeable. So I don't know if you can tell how windy it is, but you can see my hair. It's blowing in the wind. But the greenhouse itself is a cheapo. I bought it for $200 and it was on sale. So it was regularly priced, it was $240, and then I bought it for $224 or something like that. So hopefully I'll get a couple of seasons of use out of it, but it's not built to last. It's not built for the long haul. Here's hoping that the wind doesn't destroy it the first day we put it up, and we have all the parts that we need in order to put it up. So fingers crossed. Reminds me of those old tents that we used to have.
List to make your assemble faster, you can use the electric screwdriver. They say the like it comes with one, but it does not. The number 7 pole and number 8 pole separately on each side, which is important for assemble.
It's important for assemble.
7.
It smells like bug spray.
7s and 8s are the first part of the thing.
Okay, well, I have number 1. So the 7s and the 8s appear to already be assembled. I wonder if this is used. They're like, this is why it's discounted.
I don't see the electric screwdriver for assemble.
Those are our parts, and this is the only instructions we got. Just this. That's it. wish us luck. 7 and 8. So are 7 and 8 supposed to be together? Because that's how they came.
No, they're opposite sides.
7s and 8s are together.
They shouldn't.
I got everything sorted. I now need to assemble it, and I'm scared. Or assemble.
For assemble, use good quality red Milwaukee tools. Dog Walter.
Wowzer! He is just sitting on the materials.
Could get a square.
Nope. That last clip was pretty dark, yeah. We ended up putting together the greenhouse frame by headlamp. Yeah. It is now the next day and it's early in the morning and I'm hoping we can finish it up and get it all situated away. I'm going out to let the sheep out, so that's what I'm gonna do first. And I thought I would take you along just so you could see cute sheep. And then we're gonna get started on the greenhouse again and hopefully get it finished, not by headlamp, and you can actually see it. So I stopped filming when everything was just black and you couldn't see it, but you really didn't miss much because it's just the metal frame still. We haven't even put the finishing parts on it that keep the plastic from being ripped by the metal parts, so you really didn't miss much. They are never interested in getting sheep love when the camera is around, so you don't really get the opportunity to see how lovey they are in the morning. Ooh, that was loud, sorry. In reality, you just get to see them run from the camera and the tripod because they think it's gonna eat them. Okay, so we're gonna head back in. I'm going to change out of my PJs. My face is done. I don't really want to get on camera without, you know, having some lips going on, but the rest of me is not dressed for the day. So I'm gonna go get ready for the rest of the day, and then we're gonna start doing the greenhouse and finish that up, hopefully, so you can see what it looks like. All right, so we're back at it and we've got most of the frame done. So hopefully it's a fairly quick process from here on out.
then it could go tight against the shed on that end.
The roof of the shed?
Yeah,
I
like
don't
if
think
it
we can.
back here, because it slopes up too much.
I thought we could dig down. I thought you were
Could
like, we could make a
some,
little
but,
trench.
I mean, look back there. That ground's like over 6 inches higher than the ground over here.
Right, but if we made a little trench.
The other option is to keep it kind of right where it is, which sucks for the doorway. It can be staked all the way around, and it's pretty
Well, it
level.
can't be staked all the way around.
It'd be
where it
staked
is.
on the inside. We wouldn't do the over-the-top method that they showed,
Okay.
which I don't think is a good idea.
Why?
Because I feel like anywhere the line runs over a pipe with the thin plastic in between, it's going to wear through the plastic.
We put some of the like.
That might be what the tape's for, but they don't say that.
Oh, so it like
It rolls
rolls
up.
up. It'll start raining.
Yeah, I know. Move it that way,
Like over the big
just
plant?
to the other side of that one, and put the door on this end.
That'd be okay.
That might be the best
Yeah.
option.
Okay.
All right, so we need to carefully pick it up and get it over that plant.
Great. All right, it's pretty stinky. It's done. It is actually done. We still need to heather down the cover, and we need to put something, I don't know if we're gonna put hay bales or like strips of wood or something to tamper down the ends. The ends do not have a whole lot of plastic, so that was interesting. As you can see, it's pretty minimal plastic on the edge, and so it's gonna be interesting trying to secure this, but it is set up and it's ready. Let's go inside. We put the door on the side that our storage shed is because we felt that would be more sheltered from the wind. This is the inside of it. I'm so excited. It needs to relax a little bit. Oh, Mooms is on the outside. She does not like the new the new setup. The material needs to relax a little bit and kind of get into place a little bit better. So we won't be putting plants in here for a little bit. It also smells pretty strongly of plastic, which is why we have the doors open and the windows open. Try and air it out because I don't want to breathe that in. I don't want the plants using that kind of air either. So yeah, this is the greenhouse. It's my first one. It's very exciting, and hopefully it lasts a couple of seasons. We chose this location for the greenhouse because it's easy access to a faucet to water all of the plants. It's kind of out of the way. I didn't want to be staring at this every time I opened a sliding glass door. And also because it is protected slightly, so the house is on one side, and then there's the driveway, and then the fence to the neighbor's house is on the other side. And that makes it a lot more protected from the wind. We can get some pretty significant gusts from the south, and so this just will help it be a little more protected and hopefully make it at least through this season and maybe through a couple more. We'll likely be moving it next year once the garden space is more prepped and ready, but we didn't want to put this out there this year and then have to move it in the spring when we're prepping that whole space and getting ready to expand the production garden and create the cottage garden. But this is the end result. I am very happy with it so far. Granted, it's been up for a day, so don't buy anything based on that assessment, but I've really enjoyed seeing it go up, and it went up pretty easily even with just the one page of instructions. So yeah, I hope you liked watching us build it. I can't wait to show you what I put in it. If you liked this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I will make more like it, and I will definitely be showing you what I'm putting in this greenhouse and how it fares over the season. And until next time, I will see you in the next video. The garage that you will never see. Our shame.